Hello friends, today we're going to play a hidden objects game. Let's get started. Today we're looking for items we can find in our homes. This is a fork. Fork. Can you find the fork? It's hiding in this image. There is the fork. Did you see it? This is a plant. Plant. The plant is hiding in this picture. Can you find it? There is the plant. Did you see it? This is a toothbrush. Toothbrush. The toothbrush is hiding in this picture. Can you find it? There is the toothbrush. Did you see it? This is a toy train. Toy train. There is a toy train hiding in this picture. Can you find it? Here is the toy train. Did you see it? This is a bottle of glue. Bottle of glue. There is a bottle of glue hiding in this picture. Can you find it? There is the bottle of glue. Did you find it? This is a pair of shoes. Pair of shoes. There is a pair of shoes hiding in this picture. Can you find it? There is the pair of shoes. Did you see it? Let's review the household items we learned today. Fork, plant, toothbrush, toy train, bottle of glue, pair of shoes. Good work today, friends. You did an amazing job finding all the hidden objects. See you next time for more fun. Bye-bye.